Power on. Power on. To do that, okay guys, this line is for the amplifier, okay, and this line is for the audio input, same as my diagram is written here. Okay, this is yellow and this is red connected, and blue and white. Okay, and don't forget to connect the green one to the tiny PCB board and the black. As you notice, for the input signal, the white one goes here and there, as well as the red. Okay, so these two is for the input signal, and the light blue as well as the yellow is from the amplifier. If we're going to bypass this one, if you're going to bypass the potentiometer, just join the yellow and red, okay, and blue, light blue and white, and you're all done. But do not bypass the green, okay, because if you bypass that one, you cannot power on the speaker. One of my viewer is requesting that the potentiometer is totally bypassed. He doesn't want this one, okay. So to do that, okay guys, this line is for the amplifier, okay, and this line is for the audio input, same as my diagram is written here. I made an sketch. So if we bypass this one, guys, just connect for the upper part, just connect the red and orange,